Ready to elevate your trading game with Fidelity's powerful Active Trader Pro? Let's dive in. First, navigating the Active Trader Pro interface upon login, you'll see a comprehensive dashboard on the left, your watch list at the top. You have access to news and your account summary. The central area is where your charts and other active trading windows will reside. You can close or open modules by going to the View menu and selecting which windows you'd like to manage. Unlock the power of advanced charting. Select a stock from your watch list or enter a symbol directly into the search bar to pull up its chart. To add technical indicators, simply click the Studies button on the chart toolbar here. You can browse and select from a vast library of popular indicators like moving averages, MACD, and RSI to analyze price trends. Stay ahead with real-time data streams. Active Trader Pro provides live market data, ensuring you have the most up-to-date pricing and volume information at your fingertips. You'll see prices refresh automatically across your watch list and within your charts. Keep an eye on the streaming ticker at the bottom of the screen for live updates. Personalize your trading environment with customizable layouts. Go to the window menu and select layouts. You can save your current arrangement of windows as a custom layout or choose from predefined configurations. This allows you to tailor the platform to your specific trading style and workflow, putting your most critical tools exactly where you need them. Efficiently execute trades using the order ticket. Access it from the orders menu or by clicking a quick trade button. Enter your stock symbol. Select buy or sell. Choose your order type like market, limit, or stop. Input your quantity and review your order details before confirming. Active Trader Pro offers various order entry methods for speed and precision. With these tools, you're well on your way to optimizing your trading strategies and making more informed decisions using Fidelity Active Trader Pro.